The visual inspection method is the most frequently used non-destructive testing method. The majority of welds receive only visual inspection and is the only inspection required unless the specification on the design drawings or the steel fabrication drawings calls for a more stringent testing method. In this method, the visual inspection is accomplished before, during, and after welding. In the visual inspection process, minor problems can be identified and corrected before a weld is completed. This eliminates costly repairs or rejection. Visual inspection should be used before any other non-destructive or mechanical tests are used to eliminate obvious weld problems. Dye penetrant inspection is used to locate minute surface cracks and porosity. Two types of penetrants are now in use, the color contrast and fluorescent versions. Color contrast penetrants contain a colored dye, often red, that shows under ordinary white light. Fluorescent penetrants contain a fluorescent dye that shows up under black light. Magnetic particle inspection uses fine iron particles in powder form to indicate defects on magnetic materials, such as structural steel. This process works by inducing a magnetic field in a part by passing an electric current through or around it. The iron registers an abrupt change in the resistance in the path of the magnetic field and will be attracted to and outline the crack. Radiographic inspection, sometimes referred to as X-ray, is a method for detecting flaws inside welds. Instead of using visible light rays, the inspector uses invisible, short-wavelength rays produced by X-ray machines, gamma rays, and variations of these methods. These rays are capable of penetrating solid materials and reveal flaws in a weld on an X-ray film or fluorescent screen. Flaws are revealed on films as dark or light areas against a contrasting background after exposure and processing. This is the most costly of the inspection methods discussed in this module.